So this car had a slow cranking, and on a visual inspection, we found this is a BMW X3 and a pretty standard ground strap that's corroded. So I've got my multimeter set up to do a voltage drop test. We're in the voltage setting, and I'm on either side of this ground strap. Crank it, please.
Crank.
Yeah, 3.4 volts there. I don't know if you heard how slow that cranked over. So we're going to put a booster cable on it, and we're going to see what happens. Shut it off! Let's get this cable up here. My meter out again. Crank it! Still had a bit of a voltage drop, but that cranked over a lot faster. So we need to replace this. So we have a new ground strap installed. Crank it, please. Look at that. No voltage drop across the wire, and listen to how much nicer that cranked over. And we even use the proper ground strap. We use these ones because they help reduce electromagnetic interference and radio interference versus just using a regular old cable.